Hey everyone, this is Jenny Garcia and this is my Studio Calico November kit. It arrived a few days ago. It's just my house is all loud. So I was waiting for days, but I've been itching to open it, so I'm glad it made it. Okay, and one of the things that I got from the subscriber add-ons was these inverted labels, and you will see in my December daily that I'm going to use a lot of clear stickers for journaling, so I thought that in the shorter ones it would be easy to fit in here. Love these colors. I have a few of them already. Like, I think I have the black. Actually, I don't have that many of these. And these have the name written on them. They usually don't do that often. So lemon zest, inky black, flamingo, cement, orange county, poppy orange county, pink lemonade, deja blue, lavender soda, clean slate, mojito, yes peas, and fresh cut. And then you know that a few of these are going directly to my December daily stash, which it's around. And oh, I didn't show glass slipper, creme brulee, and flamingo. Yeah, so a few of those, and I would say that maybe flamingo, poppy, yes peas, and fresh cut. Yeah. And I'm not gonna put it back here because I put these in my embellishment drawers. They're divided by color. This is the monthly kit, and we're gonna do that at the end. And my extra purchases were the labels. Just, they're so versatile, and I love to layer. So if you're trying to be like adding more layering, those are a good thing to add. Oh, I forgot that I had these. And this alpha, I forgot the name, but I think there comes 7 in here. Let's see, we have poppy, we have the peachy one, probably pink lemonade, oops, lemon zest, yes, peas, mojito, glass slipper, deja blue, and cement. These are gorgeous. I love this font. I love the size. It's perfect for, again, summer daily, project life. I always buy products with that in mind. Like, I love thickers, but sometimes thickers aren't the best ones for project life. They're also flat, so if you do planning, perfect for that too. And I think that all of these were like $5. Make life a rainbow. I think these are the round, yes, these are round labels, and there's just one of each. And I had red ones already, but I am still gonna add that to my December daily because they're very versatile. Lemon zest, fresh grass, mojito, deja blue, lavender, I believe that's cement, and the peachy one. So keeping it very simple, nothing fancy, just some staples. And the kit of the month and November to remember, and I love that tag, and I love this pattern too. That's so pretty. This, like, as a bedspread, that would be adorable. And okay, I'm gonna try to open and show this without breaking it, because I love the fact that now, instead of getting the pouches, you get these cut apart sheets. I like both, honestly. Like, I love a pouch, but I have so many already that I don't really need a monthly one, and I am enjoying these cut aparts. The ones from November I am obsessed with. So, and whenever I use my kit a lot, I end up putting kits together. So I always have a few extra Studio Calico specific pouches around. So this is the one for this month. They're really cute. I love the colors. It's very like soothing and peaceful. To say in history, November, give thanks. So you keep this. You can also use this for cards. Put it right next to this. Oh, this is interesting. It's sunburst, and then you have little sayings. Loving this autumn magic. Once upon a time, simply the best. Exploring this beautiful world on this day and off the record. It's really cute. This would be cute, like embossed. I think it's a 2x2. Maybe it fits in one of those 2x2 pockets. Oh, these are so cute. I'm gonna be honest, I haven't looked at the kit too much. I was trying to like look at the sneaks, and on November 1st, I like if the Traveler's Notebook kit has a really cute washi or puffy stickers. Sometimes I look at those, and sometimes they have awesome add-ons like this past month. So that I was looking for, but not really anything else. Okay, there's a bunch of them here too, and I love these. They've done these floral pieces a few times in different ways. It's the same as the acetate hearts. They have been done before, but then the patterns and the colors change. It's really pretty. Okay, I'm trying. I thought that I was gonna put a few down and then do a close-up, but there's a bunch of them, like a lot of them. So I'm gonna add a few here and go closer. Love the color. Love these patterns. Then we have a few others. Very cool. And you can layer them. You can put them around a photo to create like a frame. Oh, this one's my favorite. I love these. I wish we had like bigger of these. Oh, we do. There you go. There you have it, Jenny. Okay, a few of those were double, so there's 2 of each, and I think that's a lot. They shoved them in this tiny packaging, and I was like, oh, that's cute. Okay, so I'm gonna put these to the side. These are the journaling cards. Let's do that last. I love a little word sticker sheet. I am obsessed and kind of regretting not getting a second one, but I'm trying to stop this Noah's Ark syndrome where I get 2 of each because I want to hoard one and then I want to use the other one. Love the colors. They're very simple. Leaves today all together. So thankful here and there. Fresh air. So, so, so beautiful. And then we have these labels. They're pretty cute too, and they're doubles. I like that. And again, with the typing that I'm doing, with the journaling, I can add it here. Nice. And then we have these alphas. I think this is a new font. I haven't seen it before, but I love it. Love, love, love it. It's really pretty. I wish it was another color. Like if we're picking, I love black, and sometimes against a color or pattern like this, it will pop. But I do love colorful alphas. Like if they were one of these 2 colors, that would be really pretty. And of course, we have our monthly November sticker sheet. We have Thanksgiving, November, a November to remember, and then we have the usual November and 11, a leaf pattern. Love to do clusters with these, and you can put like a little washi tape and then put this on top, maybe add like a little extra sprinkle, like a enamel dot or something like that. And then we have these, and these are very pretty. I love these. I love this whimsical, it's almost like, I don't want to say, it's not like really Scandinavian, this kind of floral. It reminds me of something else, and I have it in my brain, but then you have Get Out. That was then. This is now. This day in history. Give thanks. This is really pretty. Maybe you can stamp with this one that says on this day. It's very small in this little circle here. Okay, so now let's do the cards. So these are the cards. Let's start with the left. Oh. Okay, we have gratitude. Like that pattern. Love this for, like, you can put week and then maybe the numbers here. We have a rabbit and a fox. That's cute. I love a good plaid pattern or gingham. I like them both. Breaking news today. Love this. Again, you can stamp with the little stamp set. I love this pattern. Love it. It would be really cute as a wallpaper. Let's go outside and play. Same one. I love these starbursts. I don't know what I'm going to do with them, but I love them. This must be the place, and you can put a week and the number here, and then you can stamp the date. We have a flower. This day in history. I love this. It's very Pride and Prejudice. I love this. I love anything that it looks like a notebook. Really cute. I like that idea. You can put items of your week. Rather, if you're not a good journaler, that's a good technique to just make a list. Granny Smith. Not sure about that one. Seasonal notes. Red Delicious. I love this, and this old school like pattern looks vintage. Oh, this is cute. It would be really cute to put like stickers in some of these. Very cute. Enjoying all the little moments. Oh, this is cute. Flowers. Love this too. Like the colors. This I'm in love with. How am I gonna use an acorn? I have no idea. It's cute. I'm using it. This day was the best. I like that prompt. Then and now. And this is something that they used to do back in the day a lot. And I've been kind of like getting hints of the old kids in these newer kids, especially this last year. And I am not hating. I love their kids. So it's nice. It's like a look back is similar, but it's not the same. It's inspired by it, I should say. It's really cute. I thought they were butterflies for a second, but they're flowers. Really pretty. Cute. Again, another good like journaling card or like a title card. Pattern. Creating cozy vibes. Ooh, I love this. Autumn favorites. Ooh, love this. Going on hikes, fall decorations, yummy pumpkin treats, cozy sweaters, campfires in the woods, corn mazes, taking fall photos, and hay rides with loved ones. Like this too. Ooh, love this pattern. So grateful for this. Give thanks. This is cute. Find your cozy. I thought it said find your crazy. No, I found my crazy already, apparently. A mushroom. I am loving these cool patterns. The best memories so far. This is really cute. Like, it's very, that's what it is. It feels very fairy tale like. I don't know what's the theme. I didn't read it. But yeah, it's very fairy tale. Like the patterns, the florals. It reminds me of that. And of course with the hint of the whole gratitude November theme. Okay, so we have this. Oh, I love this. Hiking notes. It's really awesome. Let's go outside. Love this. This is perfect too. Oh, gratitude list. This is really awesome. another way to add your journaling in list form, especially if you're doing it like monthly or you have a bunch of things going on in a week, and you can stamp the date here. Gratitude, gratitude, family memories. Okay, this one's confusing, and it's giving Hobby Lobby word art. It's pretty cute. Okay, so my favorite from the kit, it's these super cute floral grays. I love this too. I'm obsessed with that pattern. So cute. I also love the little word stickers, and it would be so cool if next year this became like a staple. That'd be awesome. And of course I love my add-ons. It's a good investment, especially for adding journaling or just embellishing. So let me know what was your favorite item. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having an awesome day. Bye!